Happening now, the future of the SS United States is in the hands of a judge. The owners of the Philadelphia landmark are hoping to keep it standing and repurpose it into a unique venue and hotel space somewhere. But instead, it might be pushed out of the city where its fate would be unknown. So, Jeff, what did you learn today in court?
Well, it's a complicated issue. It would take, obviously, a lot of money to fix up this ship, but the SS United States is impossible to miss as it sits in its berth along the Delaware River. But as you say, Don, its fate there is very much in question tonight. The 990-foot SS United States is berthed at Pier 82 on South Columbus Boulevard. Rusting and worn, the vessel is a shell of its former self, the fastest ocean liner to ever cross the Atlantic.
We are trying to save a national treasure, the SS United States, America's flagship.
Warren Jones is part of the nonprofit Conservancy trying to restore the vessel and turn it into a hotel and event venue. But the 12 years the ship has been tied up at Pier 82 may be coming to an end. According to court records, the Conservancy pays Penn Warehousing and Distribution $850 per day to use Pier 82. In August of 2021, Penn Warehousing, citing increased costs, doubled the rent to $1,700 a day. The Conservancy, while continuing to pay the $850, says Penn Warehousing has no right under its berthing agreement to increase fees. The dispute has landed in federal court in a case that opened today. Is it your view they're trying to drive the ship out of there?
By their own admission, they've said that's what they want to do.
Penn Warehousing's attorney, speaking with Fox 29 in court, says the family-owned business is owed hundreds of thousands of dollars in back fees and claims it's been told by the state-run Regional Port Authority, the owner of Pier 82, to get the ship out of there because it's causing damage. The case is expected to end Thursday with a ruling on the fate of this historic vessel to come later. Let's say the judge rules against you. What do you do?
It's bad news. It's bad news. If the ship is evicted, where does it go? It's extremely expensive to move that ship anywhere.
It's extremely expensive to move the ship because it has no power on its own. It doesn't have an engine. It would have to be towed somewhere. There would also be a problem to get it under the bridges in the Delaware. So this is expensive and it is complicated. The attorney for Penn Warehousing says the owners of the company understand the Conservancy's dream here to rehab the ship, but they do not believe they should have to pay for it, he says. At the federal court, I'm Jeff Cole, Fox 29 News. Folks.
Thank you, Jeff.